Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever opened Visual Studio Code and found that it's always transparent? You're not alone. Many developers have experienced this issue, and today we're going to explore why it happens and what you can do about it. Visual Studio Code is an incredibly popular code editor known for its flexibility, customization options, and wide range of extensions. However, like any software, it's not immune to quirks and issues. In this video, we'll dive into the possible reasons behind Visual Studio Code's transparency and provide a clear explanation of what's going on. So why is your Visual Studio Code always transparent? Well, there are a few possible explanations for this phenomenon. Let's break it down, step by step. Firstly, it's essential to understand that Visual Studio Code uses a different rendering engine than traditional Windows applications. This means that the way it interacts with the operating system and hardware can sometimes lead to unexpected behavior. One common reason for transparency is due to the use of GPU acceleration. When GPU acceleration is enabled, Visual Studio Code might render its interface using the graphics processing unit, GPU, instead of the central processing unit, CPU. While this usually leads to improved performance, it can also cause issues with transparency and window rendering. Another possibility, is related to the Windows 10 feature called transparent window frames. This feature allows Windows to have a transparent background, which can sometimes lead to Visual Studio Code appearing transparent. Lastly, there might be conflicts with other software extensions that you have installed. Some extensions, especially those that modify the visual appearance of Visual Studio Code, could potentially cause transparency issues. To better understand this concept, imagine a stack of windows on your desktop. Each window has its own set of properties and behaviors. When an application like Visual Studio Code is launched, it creates a new window with its unique characteristics. If there's a conflict between these properties, or if the operating system has trouble rendering them correctly, you might see transparency issues. To recap, we've discussed three main reasons why your Visual Studio Code might be transparent. 1. GPU acceleration can cause rendering issues. 2. The transparent window frames feature in Windows 10 might interfere with Visual Studio Code's appearance. 3. Conflicts with other software or extensions could also lead to transparency problems. A transparent Visual Studio Code can be frustrating, but understanding the underlying reasons can help you resolve the issue. If you're experiencing this problem, try disabling GPU acceleration or adjusting your Windows 10 settings. We hope this explanation has helped clarify things for you. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on software development and related topics. See you in the next video.